Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our detailed maintenance guide for the Dyson HD07 vacuum cleaner. In this video, we will walk you through essential maintenance steps to keep your vacuum running smoothly. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft brush for cleaning. These tools will help you access various parts of your vacuum for thorough maintenance. Begin by unplugging your Dyson HD07. Safety is paramount, so ensure it's completely disconnected from the power source before proceeding. Next, remove the dust canister. To do this, press the release button located on the top of the canister. Once removed, empty the contents into your bin. It's advisable to clean the canister with warm soapy water. Make sure it is completely dry before reattaching it. Now let's focus on the filter. The Dyson HD07 has a washable filter that should be cleaned every month. To access the filter, locate the filter cover on the side of the vacuum. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry it open. Remove the filter and rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear. Avoid using any detergents. Allow the filter to dry for at least 24 hours before reinserting it. While the filter is drying, let's check the brush bar. Turn the vacuum upside down and inspect the brush bar for any hair or debris. Use your soft brush to remove any tangled hair. If you notice any screws holding the brush bar in place, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove them. Clean the brush thoroughly and replace it securely. Next, inspect the hose for blockages. Detach the hose from the vacuum and check for any obstructions. If you find any, push them out using a long object, like a broom handle. This will ensure that your vacuum maintains optimal suction. If you encounter any issues during this process, or if it seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help identify any problems and provide solutions tailored to your needs. Once you've completed these steps, reassemble your vacuum. Ensure that all parts are securely attached and that there are no loose screws. Regular maintenance will not only enhance the performance of your Dyson HD07, but also extend its lifespan. Finally, if you prefer not to handle maintenance yourself, we provide collection and delivery at your home. This means no calls, no travel, and you can receive a quote before any repair work is carried out. It's a hassle-free way to ensure your vacuum is always in top condition. Thank you for following this maintenance guide. Regular upkeep is key to keeping your Dyson HD07 performing at its best. Happy cleaning. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.